O, kanta na.
Ano ba gusto mo?
Nakabidyo na na eh. I can't get it back, but I don't want it back. Can't realize that she don't know how to walk. Never been a dominant and not dance. I just have a slight lack of common sense. I was the good guy, she was the bad guy. I'm thinking one girl, she's thinking Earl, James, and Jimmy. Yep, she have plenty, but love for me she didn't have any. I was inviting her into my heart. She was out riding in some other man's car. She was my nighttime, thought I was her star. Guess I was wrong, but see I'm strong. Won't take long for me to move on. Girl, please don't worry about me, I'm fine. Touch me when I say that I'll be okay. Go on, boy, go on, boy, go on, boy. Yeah. Ano pang kantang gusto niyo? Surejuya, kino nagkaren. Anata to meguriya etan. Nagkaataki sa higa ko nani musobani arum na unte. You're everything, you're everything. Anatawa, anaketahimik. Mali. Okay lang yan, bird lang yan. Yung tawag din, public. Okay, ano, ito. I got a lot to say to you. Yeah, I got a lot to say. I notice your eyes are always glued to me, keeping them here and it makes no sense at all. They tape over your mouth, scribbled out the truth with their lies, your little spies. They tape over your mouth, scribbled out the truth with their lies, your little spies. Yeah! Crash. Nothing compares to quiet evening alone. Just don't want to. I was just counting on to never happen. I guess I'm dreaming again. Let's be more than this. Ano pa? Ipapasaya lang naman ako ito. Entertaining. No, sir. Well, I don't want to be to blame. Not anymore. It's your turn. So take a seat beside a lane. The final score. And why do we like to hurt so much? I can't decide. But you made it harder just to go on. And why? All the possibilities I'm sure you've heard. Yeah! That's what you get when you let your heart win. Whoa. That's what you get when you let your heart win. Whoa. I drowned out all my sins with the sound of birds beating. That's what you get when you let your heart win. Whoa. Ay, di ba pala tapos? Ano, mami, naka-video ba talaga?
Oo, ano pa? Iba pang kanta.
Nag-iisip ako. Nako, concert to eh. Game. Bakit wala ka pa? Kasama ka'y parang nag-iisa. Wala akong magmamahal. Aalis ka rin pala. Sabihin mo na kung babalik ka pa. Para di na maghintay. Ano naman? Lupang hinirang. Nasampulin ko kayo ng lupang hinirang ko. Yes! Dapat dito makabayan. Tsura ko kasi na makabayan. Okay. Bayang magigil, perlas ng silanganan, alab ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay, lupang hinirang, duyan ka ng magiting sa manlulupit, di ka pasisigil sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong bughaw, may dilag ang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal. Ang kislap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagniningning, ang bituin at araw niya kailan pa may di magdidilim, lupa ng araw ng luwal, hatid pagsinta, buhay ay langit sa piling mo, aming ligaya ng pag may mang-api ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo. Nagustuhan niyo?
Oo.
Ba't ka sumagot namin? Okay, dance.
Ano ba?
Ano pa
Yung
ba?
kanta mo dati.
Alin?
If I...
Some people live for the fortune. Some people live just for the fame. Some people live for the power, yeah, yeah. Some people live just to play the game. Some people think that the physical things define what's within, with no one to share, no one who truly cares for me. Some people want it all, but I don't want nothing at all. If it ain't you, baby, if I ain't got you, baby. Some people want diamond rings, some just want everything, but everything means nothing if I ain't got you. Yeah, yeah. Sorry naging model ko yung lipstick. Ano pa? Sorry. Ano pa? Ano maganda, Mi?
Ano ko sa'yo?
Ano gusto nyo? Magsalita naman kayo, no?
Yung
Hindi
kay kay Regine.
Ano yun?
Shine.
Ayoko, hindi ko kaya.
Kalahati lang.
You make me shine, shine like the stars in the heaven. Shine, shine, you keep me shining through. Shine, shine. Hindi ko na alam. May husky yung boss. Luha.
Aloha.
Dito.
Ayoko sana na ikaw ay mawawala, mawawasak lamang ang aking mundo. Ngunit anong magagawa kung talagang ayaw mo na? Sino ba naman ako para pigilan ka? Luha ba to? Hindi ko na alam. Luha! Ben? Ayaw ko na mangarap, ayaw ko na tumingin Nawala ako sa sarili ko. Takot ako. Lyrics. Paano yan kapag contest makakalimutan ko? First time ko kasi maglagay ng video sa YouTube. Ito yung pinakaunang video ko na nalagay ko dyan. So, madaming kanta. Ano ba magandang kanta?
Bisaya. Yung usahay.
Usahay. Sige, para sa inyo. Usahay, nagadanggo ako. Nunabong pa ning kalibutan. Nganong kiti ang tiawan, ang gugma ko kayo. Kalimuda. Di ko alam yung ibig sabihin nun eh. Nag-emote-emote lang ako. Nakalimutan ko yung lyrics, Bisaya kasi.
Ang ba yan?
Ano yan?
Nanalo ka dyan, di ba?
Tingnan yung mga trophy ko. Kulang pa yan yung iba nasa Pampanga eh. May kasama pang mga pictures to. Ito, pabot. Ito, this one, napanalunan ko yan nung grade 4 ako. Ano? Kasi di ba sa St. Bernadette College of Valenzuela ako nag-aaral. So, ano yan? SBC The Idol. I'm the winner. Yung nasa center naman, hindi yung singing contest. It's beauty contest. Mr. and Miss UN 2008, last year, nanalo ako. Then ito naman, yung fiesta dito sa Santa Quiteria, Simbahan Santa Quiteria. Champion ako. Ako yung pinakabata doon. That's it. Yung iba na sa Pampanga, yung mga trophy ko sa mga bands ko, mga kabanda ko, ganyan, numabang kami doon, tapos yung mga sa SM, kung saan-saan pa. Yung mga medals, nakatago eh. Yung magaling din ako sa school. Kaya nga, pinagbubutihan ko. Mabait ako. Sabi nila, maganda, sexy. Joke lang. Bakit, mami? Let's all think that.